In the 2026 tool market, the multi-tool combo kit is often seen as a compromise. But for the homeowner, the question isn't about peak professional torque, it's about operational coverage. At Wade Media Labs, we audited the PCL 1600K2 kit. We analyzed its brushed motor duty cycles, chassis density, and current discharge from the dual battery configuration. We audited the fastening duo. The drill and impact driver deliver 515 and 1800 inch-pounds of torque respectively. While brushed, their rotational flux is sufficient for 90% of domestic structural tasks. Saws are the highest drain on a battery platform. We measured the thermal recovery of the 5.5-inch circular saw. It successfully clears 2x lumber in a single pass, but the brushed motor reaches its thermal ceiling during high-volume demolition. This kit utilizes a split capacity strategy. The 4 amp-hour battery provides the necessary current discharge for the saws, while the 1.5 amp-hour pack maintains ergonomic symmetry for the drill and light. We audited the oscillation fidelity of the multi-tool. At 20,000 OPM, it serves as the surgical module of the kit, providing the precision needed for flush cuts and detailed sanding in confined chassis. Our audit confirms, the PCL 1600K2 is a generalist framework. For the homeowner engineering a DIY future, this kit provides the mechanical foundation required before specializing in the high-output HP brushless line. It's not about having the strongest tool, it's about having the right tool available. In the workshop of the home, the OnePlus platform is the most versatile currency in 2026. See the full load logs in our 2026 RYOBI versus Rigid rankings at toolhonestreview.com. Look for the RYOBI 6 tool technical audit.